Assalamualaikum class 5. Hope you all are doing well. So today is our fourth online lecture of subject math. Hope you guys understand the previous lecture that we have covered in first, second and third lecture. If you have any sort of misunderstanding, you can clear it out with me. So open your book, page number 16, exercise 1C. Now we will move towards multiplication and division questions. So in exercise 1C, we have question number 1, fill in the blanks. So first blank is 2856 multiplied by dash equals to 2856,000. So if we multiply this with 1000, we will get the answer. Next we have dash multiplied by 100, we will get the answer 3869500. If we multiply the simple 38695 with 100, then we will get this number. Next we have, if we multiply 45200 with 20, what will be the answer? Our answer will be 904000. Then we have, if 52695 is divided by 10, the remainder will be. So the remainder will be 5. Next we have, if we divide 58800 with 100, what will be the answer? Our answer will be 588. Then we have true false. They are asking, if we multiply the value with 0, the answer will be 0. Of course, if we multiply any value with 0, the answer will be 0. It's true. Then we have, if we multiply 71432 multiplied by 50 equals to 35571600, false. Then we have, if we multiply 70,000 with 1000, the answer will be 70, true. Then we have, if we multiply 6000 with 6 and minus 333 multiplied by 3, the answer will be 10, false. Dividing two numbers, always leave a remainder, false. Next we have, choose the correct option. In first we have 10,000 multiplied by 100, it is equals to 100. Then we have the smallest 5-digit number multiplied by 10 gives 100,000. Option A. Then we have, which of the following is an incorrect statement? Option D, 102 divided by 2 equals to 50. Then we have 5694 divided by 13. Our answer will be option B, 538. Then we have the last 69825 multiplied by 24. Our answer will be option C, 1675800. So now move towards question number 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are not included. So let's move toward question number 10. In this we have 3 digits. 3 digits multiplication में. So how we will multiply? I have solved one for you. You have to solve rest of the following on your notebook by your own. And I have solved the one division question for you. You have to solve rest of the following on your notebook. Means you have to solve question number 10, 11, 12 and 13 on your notebook. It's in your homework. So let me tell you how you can solve the question. In question number 10 we have part A, 8216 multiplied by 253. So first we will multiply 3 with all of the numbers. Then we will put the sign of multiplication over here. Then we will multiply 5 with all of the numbers. Then we will put 2 signs of multiplication. Then we will multiply 2 with all of the numbers. When we will get all of the answers of 3 of the multiplicants, then we will add the value and we will get our answer. So yes, in division, we will see the first value. If we have 2 values, we will take first 2 values. It's bigger than 18, so we will multiply one by one. Like we will multiply 18 with 1, 2, 3. So we will get the answer not more than 62 but less than. If we multiply 18 with 3, our answer will be 54. Then the remainder will be 8. We will put 9 down. 9 हम नीचे ले लेंगे। देन 18 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, आंसर 72। 17 हमारे पास रिमाइंडर आएगा और 3 को हम वैल्यू को नीचे उतार लेंगे। देन इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई 18 with 9 आवर आंसर विल बी 162। अगर हम इसको इससे माइनस करें हमारे पास 11 आंसर आता है और 6 को हम अगेन नीचे उतार लेंगे। देन 18 को हम 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करें हमारे पास 108 आंसर आता है। 8, अब हमारे पास 8 सिंगल वैल्यू बच रही है, तो हमारे पास 18 पे 8 नहीं आंसर आ सकता, तो हमारे पास 8 क्या हो जाएगा, रिमाइंडर। इसी तरह आपने ये सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं। होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द लेक्चर। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़।